everybody, Chuckleberry Jim here. So today I'm going to be installing some Waveline Dinghy wheels onto our old tender. So I'm replacing the big clunky heavy duty wheels which were on there but were really heavy with some lightweight plastic ones. So I'll give you a bit of a talk through of how I'm going to do it, hopefully. So these are the wheels I'm going to put on, Waveline Dinghy Wheelers. So they're just plastic wheels, and they're going to be replacing these heavy duty metal ones which had very big wheels attached to them. So first thing I'm going to do is take off the old brackets and then give the transom a bit of a clean because it's filthy. So this is what they look like when you get them out of the box. Some fairly heavy duty plastic, and they're sprung into so you can have them into 3 positions. Basically, to adjust them, you mount it onto the back of the transom there, and then by pulling down you can change it to one of the other positions, either horizontal or pointing upwards. So we'll have a look and see how this goes. Okay, so I'm going to take off these metal brackets here and here. So I've just had to take the inflatable floor out, and here's where the existing mountings are. So I'm just going to need to make sure that the new mountings are not going to interfere with the bracket where the floor fits in. So I'm going to take off these old ones now. So we've got the old brackets off and cleaned off the worst of the silicone which was remaining. So just going to get some more silicone, fill in the old holes because of course the bracket holes don't line up, and then we can drill for the new holes. Right, so I'm just drilling one hole through first. I'm just going to fix it with one bolt just to make sure it's all in the right place. So I'm now just going to put some silicone in the holes from the old bracket to fill those in, and then I'm going to start attaching the brackets using the bolts which were supplied and some silicone to make a seal. Okay, so I'm now going to put some more silicone on the brackets. So I've put silicone around the previous screw holes, and I'm going to do so around these screw holes here. And then I'm just going to put some around the bracket as well. Just to give it a good chance of bedding in, not too much because I don't want to squeeze out everywhere. I've already made a big mess on the one side, so I don't want to do that again. Okay, so we've put the bolts through and some washers on. I'm going to clear up all that excess silicone in a minute because that's really messy, but it looks okay, and I'm just going to tighten them all up. So I'm going to do the next one. There we go, 2 wheels fitted. I made a right mess with the silicone, but they're on there very secure. And now to activate them, you can lift them and they clip into that position for pulling the boat along, or they can go into that position or that position for when you're in the water. So I'm going to pump the boat up now and just test it out to make sure it's all okay. Okay, so I'm back down at the sailing club. There's the wheels fitted, so I'm just going to pump the boat up now and make sure it all works. There we go, all pumped up, wheels attached, and they work perfectly. So that's really good. So walking down to the slipway, and the dinghy's just following behind on the wheels. So it's a tarmac surface, but that's the only place I'm going to be using it is here at the club. So yeah, it's working really well.